Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another cooking episode. We're going to make some venison meatloaf. We're going to start out here. We got about 2 pounds of really lean venison. To that we're going to add about a half of a finely chopped onion, medium onion. And I like to use V8 juice, so we're going to put about a half of a 8-ounce can of, that's about half, yeah, there about. And then we're also going to add 1 package of instant stuffing mix. I'm going to get in there with my hands and mix it all around and everything. Can't do it with holding the camera, so I'm going to shut the camera off and we're going to mix that up and I'll bring you back. Alright guys, we got this kind of mixed up here a little bit. I went ahead and added a little bit more V8 juice. I'm also going to add some garlic powder to taste, some Worcestershire sauce, however you pronounce that, about 2 tablespoons of that, and I'm also going to add some coarsely ground black pepper and just a touch of salt because I don't use a lot of salt in my cooking. But I'm going to add that and finish mixing it up. What I like to do, I added 4 ounces of finely chopped mushrooms. I like mushrooms in mine. But I did forget to tell you guys that I'll mix it up kind of roughly, let that stuffing mix get moist and soft, and then I'll go back in and really mix it up good and hard again. And then I'll put it in my pan and we'll bake it. Alright y'all, now we got that all kind of mixed up. We're going to add a couple more ingredients here. I put 2 eggs in mine. Try not to get any shells in there. Sorry about the camera work. I'm trying to watch what I'm doing and crack eggs. And I also like to add some grated Parmesan cheese. I don't have too much. I must have forgot to get some at the store, but it just gives you a little cheesier flavor. I've also used grated mozzarella or cubed mozzarella in mine, Munster, provolone, any cheese you really like, actually. If you want to put American cheese in it, go ahead. But that's how I like mine. So let me get this all mixed up and we'll get her in the loaf pan and then we'll put her in the oven. Alright y'all, we got her in the loaf pan here. I poked up about 4 holes down in there and dumped a little bit more V8 down in there. That's just kind of what I do. I may poke a couple more off to the sides there. Little tip here, when you're doing these, if you do them, use a sheet pan, like Texas sheet cake pan, line it aluminum foil, put your meatloaf on there. That way if anything spills over, it spills onto the pan. Throw the aluminum foil away after you're done. Easy cleanup. So I got the oven warming up right now. As soon as it comes up to temperature, we'll pop this thing in. I'm cooking at about 350 for roughly an hour. I'll use my meat thermometer, make sure it's up to temperature after about an hour. If not, we'll just add a little more time to it and get her cooked up. So we'll bring you back here when we get her in the oven. Alright y'all, it's done. It's way done. About 170. Good temperature. I know 160 is safe, 180. I like it, that's Fahrenheit. So she's got a nice crust on the top there. I'm going to cut this and get it on a plate. Let you guys take a look at it. We'll give her a taste and we'll call this video done. So we'll bring it back once I get it cut and on a plate. Alright y'all, there it is. It's on the plate. We're going to take a little taste of it here. Delicious as always. I want to thank y'all for watching. Sorry about that. I want to thank y'all for watching. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're new, and click the little bell. Hit all the notifications to get all my updates on all my videos. Don't only do cooking videos. Also do mechanical videos, fabricating, small engine, tractor pulling, stuff like that. Anything with an engine. I want to thank y'all for coming. Again, couldn't do this all without y'all. Without your all support. Love y'all. Y'all have a great evening. Bye.